Welcome to the Conservation Efforts Database Single Record Data Entry Tutorial, Step 2, Location Information for Efforts on Private Lands. If the activity type you selected in Step 1 requires spatial data, and you indicated that your effort is on private lands and needs to be masked within SRU, you will be directed to the CED SRU footprinter to select a predetermined sagebrush reporting unit. Some modules use population reporting units, or PRUs, instead of SRUs. Both are designed to obscure effort location information and protect private landowner information, or PII. In some modules, non-spatial efforts and plans may also be directed to the footprinter for reporting unit selection. You can switch the base map in the SRU footprinter using the Switch Base Map dropdown at screen right. I am clicking Imagery, then clicking Topographic to return to the original base map. You can use the Filter by State dropdown to filter the selectable SRU layer to display the selected state. I am selecting Nevada. Click the drop-down arrow and click All to return to the full selectable SRU layer view. You can use the Show/Hide Lands Layer checkbox to toggle on and off the land ownership layer for reference. The legend appears at screen left when the layer is enabled. I am clicking the checkbox again to disable the layer. To select an SRU for your effort, click a unit on the map, or use the Select Your Preferred SRU dropdown at screen right to scroll to the desired SRU and click to select. If you do not know which SRU overlaps your effort, you can follow the steps in the Sagebrush Batch Upload Template tutorial to use the Convert Private Land Records to SRUs tool. In the Sagebrush module, you should select the majority SRU. In the Gunnison and Cutthroat modules, you should select all SRUs or PRUs that intersect your effort. When you have selected your SRU, click the Save and Go to the Next Step button to advance to Step 2, Location Information. A locator map displays your SRU input. Use the Edit SRU ID button at any time to return to the SRU footprinter to edit your selection. The state field pre-populates based on your footprinter input. Mine displays Nevada. Confirm the state field is accurate and click the checkboxes to select collaborators and indicate land ownership or managing agencies where your effort is planned or implemented. At this step, navigation buttons have appeared at screen top and bottom. Use the Review Entry button at any time to review entered information. This will be shown later in Single Record Data Entry Step 5, Review/Error Check. You can save your progress and resume entering information later by clicking the Save and Exit button. Click the Go to Step 3 button to advance to Step 3, Activity Information.